We're going to talk about tips for parenting a child with PANDAS or autoimmune encephalopathy, also known as AE. Everybody who knows me knows I wrote a book called Brain Under Attack with my friends from Epidemic Answers, and I'm a PANS mom, as well as I've worked with thousands of families to help them reduce and reverse mental health issues. And I specialize in PANS and PANDAS and have a subspecialty with PANS and PANDAS and OCD. People come to me from all over the world to get help with PANS and PANDAS and AE because sadly, there aren't enough people working with kids. What are my best tips for helping a child or a teenager or a young adult with PANS and PANDAS? Know the signs and symptoms. You become your own expert in understanding what the disorder looks like. Whether that's you grab Brain Under Attack, you read my blogs on it, you get onto aspire.com, you get out there on the internet, you find information, and you become really literate. You may be relying on traditional medical providers or mental health providers, and guess what? They don't know enough. And sadly, but not, you should be empowered by the fact that you are the CEO of your family's health. You need to really understand what PANS and PANDAS looks like. And you can watch my other video about it and learn more about the signs and symptoms of PANS and PANDAS. But just know that it looks different in everybody. People can have pre-existing conditions that exacerbate with a toxin or infectious disease trigger. Your child or teen can have no symptoms and suddenly overnight act like a different human being. So know the signs so that you can be sure about what is going on with your child and not rely on providers that don't know enough about it.